DIY day! Yay!
We have a really cool DIY that Nora
Yes.
actually found.
I'm super excited about this because you guys know I'm all about skincare.
Yes.
And I'm a skincare junkie. And I'm all about anti-aging products, getting rid of age spots, all of it. So today we're going to be making a DIY vitamin C under eye serum.
So cool.
Actually, you can use it all over your face.
Yeah. I'm really excited about it because, again, it's limited ingredients and
we've actually never used vitamin C
I know!
in our DIYs. I had to go
were,
and buy
so
it yesterday
excited.
from Whole Foods, you guys.
So the good thing about this is that the vitamin C is in powder form, and after you make the serum or before or during, you can add this to like smoothies or to like shakes, whatever it is. So it's not going to go to waste.
It's something cool that you should have in your pantry.
For sure.
Anyway, so the ingredients that you need for this DIY, you guys, is vitamin C powder, like I mentioned.
Yep. Some vitamin E oil.
And frankincense oil. A lot of people won't have this at home, but I highly recommend getting it. You can order it off Amazon, which is what we did.
Right.
It's actually very good for you. There's so many different uses, and I guarantee you're not only going to use it for this DIY. You'll use it a lot at your house.
I feel like we've used it in a majority of our skin regimen DIYs lately. It's really good for your skin.
And then aloe vera gel.
Woo! And then you need an amber bottle to put it in, right?
Yes, it's very important that you store it in an amber bottle, and you could store it for up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator if you want. The reason for the amber bottle is because of the vitamin C. I guess something about it, if you are to use just like a regular glass, it's kind of like bentonite clay with metals.
Yeah.
You know?
And again, you can buy this on Amazon too.
Yeah.
Cool, let's do it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna start by putting 1 teaspoon of the vitamin C powder. And we are going to be adding
1 teaspoon of water. And then we have to mix this up.
Now we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. I feel like aloe vera gel is in a lot of skincare stuff too.
Well, aloe vera gel used to be in like the ancient times considered like the plant of immortality or something.
It was their jam.
Yeah, fun fact.
Okay, now we're going to mix that really well. Next up, we're going to add vitamin E oil, and we're going to add about 1/8 of a teaspoon, so just a tiny bit. A little bit really does go a long way with vitamin E oil. And we're going to add about 5 to 7 drops of frankincense oil. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll make it extra potent for us. So we're going to put it in our amber bottle, and like Nora said, you can store this in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks and use it every night so you get like amazing glowing skin.
This is really good for, it's also good for age spots, you guys, and just wrinkles. I'm so excited about this.
While Nora scoops this up, I'm going to tell you guys about our giveaway.
You do that. Get in there.
For our giveaway, we're going to be giving away the Purity eye cream. It brightens and depuffs, and it is an organic eye cream, so it's really cool. In order to qualify for our giveaway, you need to be subscribed to our channel, so click on our little face. You need to like this video, and you need to leave a comment below. Tell us what other DIYs you guys want us to explore and figure out.
Funny enough, this DIY was with me creeping on comments, you guys.
Nice.
I found this. This was a suggestion from one of you guys, so thank you so much.
Yeah, leave us some more suggestions.
Yes, I love getting suggestions.
Yeah, okay, I'm ready to try this serum.
Yeah, I am too.
I would say like right before you use it too, just give it like a gentle swirl to make sure that all of the ingredients kind of like blend well together too.
Okay.
I like the way it smells.
Mm-hmm. I like to do about like 3 to 5 drops.
It smells good. I just put it all over my face.
Oh, you did?
Uh-huh. I figured my entire face could use some vitamin C. Hope you guys enjoyed this DIY, and we will see you guys next time.